Today we are here in Cambridge, where we have installed public charging points in 14 sites across the place known as Britain's Cycle City. How does this project support the Council's climate change strategy?
This is a fantastic project. It really supports the commitment that Cambridge City Council has got in terms of addressing the challenges around climate change. This car park is one of many that are being, or has actually gone live with an EV solution. We have 15 live EV chargers here, which is a great offer to the local communities, to visitors and local businesses alike.
How long have you been driving an EV and what influenced you to make the switch?
I work in sustainability, so I'm quite passionate about the environment and protecting what we have. So for me, it was a bit of a no-brainer just to get a car that wasn't as polluting as a normal petrol car.
What are the most important factors for you as an EV driver when it comes to EV charging points?
I think ease of use, being able to find them quite easily. The price, definitely. There are some very expensive chargers out there. And I think the availability is massive as well.
So why Connected Kerb?
Connected Kerb were the best partners that we wanted to work with. And so therefore, to see the fruition of that relationship, it just exemplifies why that was the right decision for us to make. It's a go-ahead, forward company that's got big ambitions, not just for the city, but across the world. So fantastic.
So what are the benefits for people in terrace houses like we can see behind us, having infrastructure like this on their doorstep?
I think one of the things that was really appealing to us was the fact that it was off-street parking. It meant that people in communities like this could come around here, park their car overnight, charge, and then they'd be coming out in the morning and be able to go off and do their business.
We have to do what we can as fast as possible. The climate crisis is here now. Every day, every month, every year really counts, and we need to do what we can for our council officers and our residents and our visitors.
We want to make EV charging inclusive, reliable and accessible to everyone. That's why we're working with local authorities to ensure there are enough chargers available, but importantly that they're in the right places. We aim to deliver a charging experience that drivers and customers love. That means providing an experience where people can just plug in and get on with their day hassle-free.